hard-working, simple to operate. That sums up the performance of the JOST fifth wheel. Years of rugged wear have proven that our simple design is also the safest in the industry and the easiest to operate. For example, the release handle requires only 60 pounds of full force, the lowest in the market. The locking bar is designed to ensure even load distribution, and the rubber bracket bushings and composite collars reduce shock loadings and vibration, offering greater safety and stability. Following are step-by-step instructions for operating your JOST fifth wheel. It is important to follow each step for proper operation. Before coupling, inspect the fifth wheel to make sure the ramps are tilted down and the lock is open. If necessary, use a grease gun to add lubricant through the grease fitting and apply grease to the top plate. Now prepare the trailer. First, back up close to the trailer, centering the kingpin on the fifth wheel. Once positioned, chock the trailer wheels, connect the air lines and light cord, and set the trailer brakes. You may need to adjust the trailer height. The fifth wheel must lift the trailer. Attempting to couple at the wrong height may cause improper coupling, possibly resulting in damage or personal injury. The trailer should contact the fifth wheel approximately 4 to 6 inches behind the pivot. Now, back under the trailer until you feel the fifth wheel lifting up the trailer. As soon as you pick up the trailer, stop. This prevents you from hitting the kingpin too hard. Now, continue backing until the fifth wheel locks. Pull forward to test the coupling as an initial check. Remember, some improper couplings can pass a pull test, and sound is not a reliable indicator that the fifth wheel is locked. Federal and state laws require that you also make a visual inspection. Your visual inspection should check for 3 things. 1, that there is no gap between the trailer bolster and the fifth wheel. 2, that the kingpin is inside the lock. And 3, that the release handle is in the locked position in the lower slot. The visual inspections are the most important part of the coupling procedure. Now, raise the landing gear. This completes the coupling procedure. Remember, this program covers only fifth wheel operation. Be sure you perform all of the other required pre-trip inspections. Uncoupling your JOST fifth wheel is also simply accomplished. Make sure you choose a location that provides support for the landing gear. Set the trailer brakes. Slowly back into the trailer. Then set the tractor emergency brakes. Chock the trailer wheels. Then lower trailer landing gear until they touch the ground. Shift to low gear and crank an additional 4 to 8 turns, then secure the crank handle. Disconnect the air lines and light cord. Unlock the fifth wheel by lifting the release handle up into the wide slot and moving it forward while pulling the handle out. Lock the handle in the open position using the notch provided. Release the tractor emergency brake and pull out slowly, allowing the trailer to slide down the fifth wheel and pick up ramps. The uncoupling procedure is now complete. If your tractor is equipped with a sliding fifth wheel, the fifth wheel position can be adjusted as follows. Stop the vehicle in a straight line on level ground. Then set the tractor and trailer brakes. Disengage the locking plungers and then get out of the tractor to check that both plungers have retracted. Then release the tractor brakes and drive the tractor to the desired position. Once the tractor is in position, engage the locking plungers. Set the tractor brakes. Visually check that both plungers are engaged. The knee mechanism must be completely against the stop for the plungers to be engaged. If the plungers are not fully engaged, release the tractor brakes and move the tractor forward and backward slightly until they engage. Once the plungers have been engaged, the sliding procedure is complete. Do not operate the vehicle if the plungers are not fully engaged. Personal injury or damage to the tractor or trailer may occur. Easy operation, years of reliable service. The reasons are simple to choose a JOST fifth wheel.